Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we are going to learn this sum where we have front view, top view of a cone and side view as well. We are going to cut this cone in top view. See, it will be like this. From O, we'll draw a radius. It will be given to you. And there will be a cutting plane like this. Let's say this radius is 12 and this is the cutting plane, right? So how many points you are getting? See, wherever it is cutting, all these edges, those will be the points. So this is PU, base point, and this is PV. So we got 2 base point. Then if you see on this line, wherever it is cutting, all these edges, right? All these edges are imaginary. I have divided into 12 parts. So OA, wherever it will cut, that is point PA. Then this is done. OB, wherever it will cut, that is point PB. OC, wherever it will cut, that is PC. And OD, wherever it will cut, that is PD. Point PA, PB, PC and PD. So now we need to transfer. This PU, PV we can transfer straight. See, this much will be dark. Right? This will go away. So that will be light. So you extend from here. This is PU dash or PV dash, whatever you want to write. This is PU dash. Then it is cutting OA. This is point PA. Extend. Wherever it will cut O dash, A dash, that is PA dash. Then you extend OB, this point PB, right? Which is on OB. You extend up. Wherever it will cut O dash, B dash, that is PB dash. Then point C, you project straight. Wherever it will cut on O dash, C dash, that is PC dash. Then you have point D. So this D you can't project straight up, right? So you can take it in side view or you can rotate like this. Both are okay. I'm rotating it till here, OG, then going up and then drawing horizontal line. Or you want to project in side view. You project in side view and mark. See this you rotate till here. Basically you draw horizontal and then go up and then again rotate. This is point PD square. Now join all these points. This too we already have. Now join all these points with free hand. What will you get? Cut portion of sectional front view. If it is cut in top view, this is how it will look in front view. Then we need to hatch. So I hope you people have understood this sectional front view of a cone. Thank you.